Black cats and ghouls, witch hats and bats and dog drool and bat wings, frog legs and spider hatchlings for fools. These are things we fear the most, but in a while your face will find a smile again. Cause they don't usually last, but if those are factors of fear, I must ask you a question. Do you fear cruise control when you lose control? When you lose control, lose track of time. Lose track of time and forget to love. Memento mori, remember we die. Flashback to years ago, and a fast sack of drawers out of the ordinary. Scary where I've gotten since then, and in a sense my teeth have grown rotten as an expense of my negligence, and the evidence is evident. As an example of cruise control, I can lose control. I can lose control, lose track of time. Lose track of time and forget to love. Memento mori, remember we die. Memento mori. Memento mori.